Windows 11 Build 22000.160, KB5005189, has been released for Windows Insiders, Dev and Beta, with several bug fixes and improvements. Alongside the new preview build, Microsoft has also started pushing an upgraded clock app which brings a new feature called Focus Sessions. Today's patch is labeled as Cumulative Update for Windows 11, 10.0.22000.160, KB5005189, on Windows Update, and it will be installed automatically alongside the Security Intelligence Update. A new Windows Defender Security Update is also rolling out with general fixes. What is new in the build of Windows 11? Microsoft bring about new clock update with new Focus Sessions, Timer, Alarm, Stopwatch, World Clock. Microsoft also include Spotify to the to-do list as to keep you in line with the new Windows shapes and designs. You can sign in your Spotify account and set up the alarm for reminder, and the music will play for 5 minutes. You can also log in your Microsoft account to the new Focus Sessions for more accurate information about to-do activities. Play around the new update to see things yourself. As you can see in this video, Windows 11 Build 22000.160 now lets you pick a task from your Microsoft To-Do and song from Spotify. The music will play during your focus session, and you can set how long you want the focus session to be. Windows 11 Build 22000.160 comes with the following features: Focus Timer. You can set goals within the clock and configure time. Spotify integration. Good music could reduce the chance of getting distracted, and Windows 11's Focus Session will use your Spotify account to help you find perfect audio to reduce distractions. Microsoft To-Do. A focus session is incomplete without access to your goals and to-dos. Thankfully, Microsoft has enabled TOFO integration in Windows 11 to help you manage your tasks without having to manually switch between the apps. Your to-do list will sync automatically in the background. Habit building. You can also set a daily goal and challenge yourself to stay focused. Of course, there's a dashboard and it tells you the number of breaks you have taken and their current progress for tasks and goals. Just play around the new Clock and Hour Maps update and get to know how to schedule your meeting for better life experience in Windows 11 Build. That's all for now in this video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video if you have not done so. See you on my next video.